Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we are making pinto beans with rice, chicken, and vegetables, all at the same time, in our Instant Pot. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our pinto beans with rice, chicken, and vegetables, we're going to be cutting up some celery here. So I'm just going to make little strips out of this celery. Alright, then we just chop them up. Just like that, it's good. And we're going to put our little divider in here in our steamer basket that we're going to be using. So we can just put them right in there. Just like that. We got some more to chop up, so we'll cut them up. Yep, there we go. Make just like little strips out of it. And I'll make it look nice in the end. Yeah, that'll be good. We got some other stuff to do here. We got some baby carrots coming up. There's a big one. I'll slice them in quarters. They look pretty good. There you go. Alright, that ought to be plenty. Now we just slice up an onion. And we'll leave a couple big chunks. Put them in there. Again, we'll leave a couple big chunks. Make it look different in there. Yeah, that'll be nice. Yeah, to get started making our chicken for our pinto beans with rice, we're going to need a rub. So I'm going to add some salt in this little bowl. Add a little bit of pepper. Add just a little bit of garlic. Add some paprika. And we're going to add a little bit of this stuff. That always makes it taste good. Yep. Okay. Now what we do is add a little bit of oil to that and mix it up. Just like that. And we'll start putting it on our chicken. Make it taste good. Plus, when that gets in that pressure cooker, that's going to go everywhere, that flavor. And we're going to add more in the end there when we serve it. So it'll be good. Yeah, we just season these up real good with our rub. And I'd be normally dry rubbing this and all that, but it seems to stick a little bit better in the pressure cooker this way. And I do the bottoms too, but I don't show that often. You know, you just do it your way. That's why I like cooking, because I like to do things my own way sometimes and try new stuff. It makes it interesting. You know, it's not all the same until you find something you like, and then you kind of write down the recipe, and that way you can stick to it or come close each time. Right? Well, and there you go. Now all we have to do is get them ready for the Instant Pot. Yeah, now we'll just add our chicken to the trivet, so we can add it to the Instant Pot easy. We'll put them in there just like this. And we'll put it back on the plate here. And we'll set it aside. Now we're going to be adding our pinto beans to the pot. Just take our lid off our pressure cooker. And here's what we're using there. 1 cup of pinto beans. Now I did pick through them and I rinsed them. So there you go. Now what we need is 2 cups of water. 3 altogether. There's 2. There's 3. Now all we have to do is cover it and set it. Yeah, now for the pinto beans, for dry pinto beans, it takes at least 50 minutes to cook them on high pressure in the Instant Pot. So even if you went to 60, you know, that would be good. But the chicken only takes 18 to 20. Same with the vegetables. And the rice is the same, 18 to 20. So if we do 60 minutes, then we could set our Instant Pot to 40 and do a quick release. So let's do that. Let's set our Instant Pot. I happen to have it on 40. 40 on high and hit start. Now we'll do a quick release at the end of the 40, and then we'll add our rice, chicken, and vegetables and finish it the extra 18 to 20 minutes, and let's see what happens. So that would be a full hour. And I'll bring you back when it starts cooking. Yeah, the Instant Pot's on the last indicator of the preheating, so it won't be long now before it pressurizes and it gets ready to cook. So that'll be good. Oh, I gotta put this chicken in the refrigerator for a while because I'm not gonna leave it sit out for 40 minutes. Well, the Instant Pot just sealed. It started cooking. And we got 40 minutes on the clock. So I'll bring you back when it's about done. To you, it'll be just like that. Now it's time for a wobbly pop or something. That sounds good. Okay, we got 1 minute left on the clock. And it should be about done. There you have it. It's all done. The beans, pinto beans are done. Okay, all we have to do is a quick release now. We'll hit that little valve on the back of the pot lid. And there you go. Release that steam and wait for the pin to drop. There you go, the pin dropped. Now we can open the lid Watch out for the steam. There you go. Okay, they look pretty good in there. Here, let's give them a check. Yep, pretty good. They're softened. They need more time though to soak up all that liquid and everything. Now we're going to add our rice, approximately half a cup, or maybe a little more. We'll add that right in there. There you go. And we'll stir that around a little bit, level it out. Alright, looks good. Now we're going to add our chicken broth or chicken bouillon, 1 cup. And now all we have to do is add our chicken to the pot. Just like that. And now all we have to do is add our vegetables to the pot. Just like that, and put the lid on. Now all we have to do is set it. Yeah, now we're going to set the Instant Pot to pressure cook for 20 minutes. It might take a little longer than that. I'm going to go 22. On high. And hit start. And there you go. I'll bring you back when it starts to cook. Yeah, and while that's cooking, you know, we might have another wobbly pop. Yep, that sounds good. There you go. The Instant Pot just sealed. Now it's going to start to cook. When it does, it'll read 22 minutes on the clock. There you have it, 22 minutes on the clock. And I'll bring you back again when it's just about done. That way we can do a quick release and check it out. Hopefully it's good. Smells good. Well, there you go. Looks like we got 1 minute left on the clock. And that's the end of the 22 minutes. So everything should be all done. And we'll take a look at it together after we do a quick release. And we'll see how it is. And there you have it. Yeah, now all we do is a quick release. And let all the steam out. And then we'll take a look at it together in there. Hopefully everything looks good. Smells good. Well, the pin just dropped, so it's safe to open. So let's take a look. See anything? It's a bit cloudy. The vegetables look good. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, they're perfect. They're nice. All right, let's get them out of there. Get these vegetables out of here. Yeah, the handles aren't too bad. And we'll have a little peek in there. Boy, that looks good. We'll just put our plate down here. And we'll take out our chicken. And there you go. And we'll have a little look in there and see how that is. That looks good. Really looks good. Okay. Now all we have to do is plate that up. Okay, let's plate up the rice and beans. Oh yeah, they look good. They smell really good with that chicken broth in there. Yep. Alright. Now let's put our chicken on there. Ooh, warm. Definitely warm. Now all we have to do is get our vegetables. We'll take out the centerpiece and we can put some of our carrots on there. And we can put some of our onions up on there. Spread them around. There you go. And we get our celery. Put that up in there. And we got some left. But there you have it, folks. A beautiful pinto bean with rice, chicken, and vegetables, all at the same time in our Instant Pot. Gotta add a little extra salt and pepper here on our vegetables and whatnot. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Boy, that looks tasty. You can add all kinds of spices to that in the pot before you actually cook it, or during when you add the vegetables. You could do that. Like when you add your vegetables, chicken, and everything. That would be a good time to add some extra spices if you wanted to. Stir them right in. When you add the rice, I gotta check out this rice. Oh yeah. I wish you could taste that. That made them pinto beans taste really good, that chicken broth. Everything's done so nice. The celery. The carrots. Let me check the carrot. Oh yeah, everything's perfect. Yep. Oh, I gotta just have a little taste of the chicken. Oh yeah. You're gonna love this one. Tender, falls right off the bone. That's awesome. Here, take a closer look. That's what I'm talking about right there. You can't beat that. Now I gotta figure out who's cleaning up the kitchen. I guess it'll be me. Maybe another Wobble Pops in order. That sounds good.